Superstars, this is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Listen, what I'm going to show you in this video real quickly here is how to earn $500 guaranteed using Google.com, okay? And listen, this is probably one of the most easiest way to make money if you're brand new as it relates to the internet, okay? It doesn't take any money. You don't have to do any affiliate marketing. You don't have to record any videos. You don't need a Facebook account, Instagram account. So listen, I'm gonna go real quickly here. Go to google.com, right? Check, watch this. All you need to do is this, type in Google News, okay? Done deal. It's the fastest way to make money online, especially if you have $0, okay? Now look, you click on Google News like this. If you're with me, comment let's go in the comments below. Let's go, right? Get excited. Listen, you're getting ready to make money. Look, $500 a day is $15,000 per month. Like imagine doing that just by listening to everything that you see in this video right here, okay? Real simple here. So we're gonna scroll down to business. It's important to go to business here, okay? And what we wanna do is we wanna get the latest articles here, okay? Because these articles are popular like right now, and we want popular articles. And listen, you don't have to write an article at all. As a matter of fact, I want you to do less work in this video, in this tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is that many people are making money online using this technique, and they're vacationing around the world where everybody else is working a 9-to-5 job. So you see this right here, Google Chrome third-party cookies delayed, right? So it seemed like a good article right here. Google and Indians Jio platforms announced whatever, right? Doesn't matter the article as long as it's in the latest and it's popular right now on Google. You're gonna go here, okay? Scroll down. You see this right here? All you're gonna do is copy this. Are you with me so far? Smash the like button if you're with me right now. Listen, just watch the video. Don't try to do it. You will make no money if you try to do this with me. Just watch it first, and then on the next time that you watch it again, then do it with me, okay? Then you're gonna go to another website by the name of spinbot.com. Spinbot is very popular. I've made a ton of money using this. I don't write my own articles. Why? Because Spinbot does it for you. You copy and paste, okay? And when you go here, you're a human being, right? And then when you hit go, what it's gonna do is rewrite that article for you, okay? That means that it's gonna rewrite the article for you once you hit the word go. Does that make sense? It's just gonna rewrite it for you. Oh, okay, I had too many words right here. Let's do this. Okay. I put the wrong caption in there, but does that make sense? Once you rewrite the article here, now I'm gonna show you the next site which you need to go to, okay? But you gotta take your time right here, okay? And what you're doing here, what makes it so popular, since this is so popular, okay? This is so popular right here, when you rewrite it, what we're gonna do is just basically give it to another website and they're gonna pay you up to 300, some pay $1 per word, and you didn't write anything. And let me give it into the site right now. So once you go to Spinbot here, and the great thing about this, listen, you can do it over and over again. Like if you're broke right now, you have no money, smash the like button if you're broke. Listen, I've been there. I slept on air mattresses, and this is why now, since I'm a multi-millionaire here, and I'm gonna show you a quick way at the end of the video how to make $10,000 per month, even if you're like 18, 20, 30, and 40 years old. I mean, young people that are doing this, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to a site by the name of eatingwell.com. Please don't share this. Just smash the like button because I'm giving you value, baby. Listen, you go here and basically look at these guys. They're going to pay you. Let's scroll down here. Let me show you. Look at this, $1 per word. That's crazy, right? So $1 per word if you just submit to eatingwell.com. Please write that down. Eatingwell.com. 150 to 400 words. They're going to pay you $1 per word. So it's up to you how much money you want to make. 400 words is $400. 1,000 words is $1,000. And remember, all you're doing is this, because I know you're not a great person as it relates to writing good articles. You just go here, get an article, right? That's already popping. Does that make sense? You take an article here, you go to Spinbot, you can do this over and over again, and then all you do is email these guys, okay? Does that make sense? You scroll down Scroll down. You see that right there? pitches@eatingwell.com. Email them. Like, make sure you read the guidelines when you submit it, and you just email them the article. Okay, that's it. That's just how simple it is. And you can do this over and over again. Okay, imagine just doing an article 600 words a day. That's $600 a day. That's about $18,000 a month, right? And all you're doing is submitting an article. But listen, stay here real closely here. I'm gonna give you one other site that's powerful. They're gonna pay you up to $350. Now I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I love you. I'm gonna smash the like button and turn on the notifications and sub to your channel. Because listen, all you need is one of these videos, how to make money online, right here. You just need one. If you get one right, and if you do it exactly as I shared, and I said, watch it right now, then watch it again and do it with me, okay? It's important to do that. You won't make any money if you try to do this at the same time I'm explaining this to you. You need to be able to absorb the knowledge first. The next website is easy, SierraClub.org. Hey, big head, write that down, please. I know you listen to me. SierraClub.org, okay? See here, it teaches you how to submit to it. You're going to send an email to Sierra@SierraClub.com. That's it. That's all .org. That's it. In the subject, put pitch. You see that right there? And these guys are going to pay you. Look here. I'm not kidding you. Look at $350 to $250 for reviews and opinion pieces. Where do you get your opinions from? Google News, right? You can go to science. You can go to sports here. And you pull the latest article and you spinbot it. That's all you do, right? Because spinbot is going to make that article very unique. Now, how many of you right now know that you can do this? They're going to pay you. It doesn't matter who you are. And the great thing about it, they pay PayPal. They pay bank transfer. So it's just a simple, easiest way to make money with Google News. If you could do this, smash the like button. Now, listen, if you want to make $10,000 per month in the next 45 days, if you want to work with me, this is what I do. I help people win. I help people leave their 9-to-5 jobs and win. You can find me at Wesley $1 Million Virgin on freaking Instagram. In the bio below under this video, okay, in the description, I got a link. If that's what you want to do, if you want to make $10,000 per month in 45 days, go for it. If you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to work with me, if you're sick and tired of the status quo and you want your life to change, let's go. Hey, this is Wesley $1 Million Virgin. Let's go. Smash the like button if I gave you any value, baby. I'll see you soon. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, and let go.